welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set file expiry dates in drive links. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply set file expiration dates in drive link, then all you can do is simply get Google Drive's paid version. So if you are going to go and subscribe to Google Drive, you can simply get this feature of adding expiration date in your link. You can simply have your monthly or annual plans, and once you purchase this subscription of Google Drive, you can simply open files, share it, and add the expiration date that appears next to the user's name. You can select date from the calendar and you can set an expiration date for up to 1 year in the future and click on the save option. But if you don't have the paid version, then unfortunately you cannot be doing so. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.